Hi friends, I will share with you one of my perforation repair case. I got this case in a very pretty bad condition, continuous seepage of fluid and blood from that huge perforation that you can see in this radiograph. So most probably it's a iatrogenic, iatrogenic defect by other practitioner. So I got this case like this. You can see that pretty huge uh, perforation here I just pointed out. Now I have to think about how to repair it and what material should I use. Normally for pulpal floor perforation I prefer glass ionomer cement for 1 millimeter or 0.5 millimeter of perforation. For root perforation I use MTA. And here the perforation is in crown part, but gingival seepage, continuous gingival fluid seepage is there, and blood also. So here I have to think about what material I should use. Here I can't use GIC because GIC will not set here properly because of the fluid contamination. Second, GIC is not that much good in biocompatibility. So I use here MTA, because MTA you will see soon the result of MTA in this videograph only, this video only through radiograph. Now why I use MTA? Because MTA use the fluid for its setting, and MTA also very good biocompatible agent, and it's uh, it has a good effect on the surrounding structures also, the viable structures also. So I use MTA over glass ionomer cement. So what you will prefer, what your opinion in this case, please comment below. And I want to know what is the result or outcome after perforation repair and endodontic treatment, what you do in your everyday practice. This is the repair part. I use MTA. It is perfectly took the shape of the tooth and it set well with the fluid contamination also, and I completed the endodontic treatment successfully. Now I hope that in long term I will get very good result. So please share your experience also in the comment, and let me know and others uh, how's uh, how's the material helps for repairing perforation GIC MTA, and what other options we can use. Thank you very much for patience listening.